oxygen does, it just enhances the burning of a fire.
It's got veins.
Okay. I'll do the first two. Okay, he's got, I was just going to get some gloves from that. Hey, we're on my welding helmet. Okay, so this is just, guys, this is just an oxygen balloon. It enhances the burning of the fire. Now, is there anything in oxygen that will blow up? Nope. No. So what's going to happen? If I take a neutral flame, like this, and yeah, you're right, because all it's going to do, it's just going to pop and that's it, okay? But if you take your fuel gas, I need the fuel gas. This is?
The Acedalyn oil?
Okay, now the acetylene gas, guys, this is fuel. Okay? What you're going to see is kind of a mushroom cloud go up. It's not going to be a loud bang, but it's going to make some mess. That's okay.
Oh. Mushroom cloud.
Okay?
Oh.
Now, that's your gas. Well, look at the soot. All right, now, the oxyacetylene unit. You guys are at the perfect distance. Mason said he would light it for me because he's the dog. Okay, just what I want you to do is I want everybody to plug your ears, take your fingers, bury it in your ears. Okay, this thing is going to hammer. Okay, or you can grab some of your up there if you want to use that, that's fine. If you're within 10 feet, you will probably feel the shock wave from the explosion. You'll probably hear those tanks rattle. Like it's a shock wave from an explosion. It's just pretty wild. What you're going to do is you're going to have stuff on and the safety shield.
We did this last year. Were you here for this last year?
Yeah. Here's videos of you. Oh, these are pretty loud enough. Yeah. You want to plug one in? Get knocked down? Yeah, just you hit the grass. That's why there's dancing in it. Yeah. Oh.
Okay, so give them this. Okay, this way. Get in position. Then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, big one.
Oh, what you doing? Shut it up. Look at that.
You actually used the horse to right after all.
Okay, so Mason's going to be very careful. He's going to do this now, so everybody's ears plugged.
Yeah, let her buy.
Okay,